We are on Lake Weir in Florida, which is maybe a little bit outside of Orlando, and hurricane's about to bear down on us. So we were thinking about hunkering down over here. My wife and Fish Dropper's wife got us a beautiful lake house up there, and as you guys can see, we got all kinds of docks and stuff to fish off. We actually got in a couple days fishing. I'll have a vid out real soon with that action. But yeah, we kind of bummed because we got to leave this place to try to dodge Milton. We're heading up to Georgia. Hopefully I'll be able to hook up with one of my childhood buddies who's living up there now, Brother Sam. I think we're going to be staying at another lake house. So kudos to the girls for booking that, and hopefully our fishing adventure can continue. So the video you guys are about to see is again some lost footage that I found on my computer's hard drive. This is a session that me and Sensei did over on East Oahu, right over at Punalu'U Park. And you guys get to see what's in the water and what was biting my line. Hope you guys enjoy the vid. Stay tuned for the end of the vid. We'll have at least a few Hawaii Random Hammer shout outs. Alright guys. Look at this guys, I just pull up. Sensei. Taking care of business right now. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh, looking to be a good morning.
What? That's a white cat. Wow.
Oh, okay.
When shocked me, the thing was ringing. What? I just throw him out.
Right on.
I just got here.
Right on. No lie, you sucker. I look on the Find Me app. I'm like, bro, this brought up my car already. It's like, this guy, I just got here.
Not too much real estate on the beach.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
somebody will make hookah already. I
Oh,
was lucky for find a hookah in the grass.
how's that? See that?
But
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys. We got the new Tobbies. We ready to rock them? Okay, not gonna forget these, bro. Same.
when you said 4 to 6, when
Yeah.
I was rounding Pine Tree, the wave went splash on the road. I said, what?
Offer. I know, surprise.
I said, oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's why I was tripping out. I just caught the news right before I head out the door.
wow.
And yeah, the kind of girl, Carly Rose, 4 to 6. I was like, 4 to 6. Wait. I
Yeah.
was like, huh? But I think the geography over here,
Get plenty of reef out of it.
yeah, so the break is going to be like outside mostly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where do you think that out?
I think
Over there.
towards the,
Over there? More this way?
Punalu'U Park is fairly shallow. Huh? That's like taco ground.
Yeah.
The thing gets deeper as you go towards
This-
the store.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
maybe the kind, maybe more this way then.
Yeah,
The
maybe.
setup.
Sun coming up.
Sensei walking them out, trying to get them in that channel. Oh, if the water is kind of a little bit murky and stuff, the visual from the fish cam isn't the clearest, so at least these colorful things kind of help to identify where the bait is in the water. So yeah, we're gonna give this a shot. We're gonna walk it out and try to get them in a clean spot, because on the inside is dirty. Look like the ooh about to start come down. So I'm gonna put my lunch, mahalos to Sensei. I'm gonna put them in the car so I'm not gonna get all soaked. Growing up, swimming, diving, surfing, fishing, just being in the water, being in the ocean. I always wondered what, sometimes when you're in the water can be on certain temperature. Like the water can be kind of warm, and then all of a sudden You swim across just a real super cold pocket of water. Any of you science guys might be watching my vid. You guys have any clue, you know, what kind of physics or whatever is involved with all that? Let about know. I always wonder about that, because yeah, I just had where the thing was, where the water started to get warm, and then ooh, had a mean cold rush. Ooh. We'll see what get out here. Always wanted for, oh shit, of course, get on set right there. I gotta jump. Whoop. Oh, okay. Okay, not quite in the white channel out there, but okay, first cast with the fish can, and already we see some papillos come in. Water is maybe, I would probably say, about 5 feet deep, as far as I can get, guys. Hopefully some action. Ooh, okay, papillo comes in aggressive, and these are, you know, smaller papillos. I would say probably maybe about 7 inches, just based on how big they are compared to my rigs. Water is not that clear. You see when Obakeveke comes in, smelling around with his feelers. As we're going in, we're just feeling for any big pools. Some guys, they close the bell and they set the drag real loose and they walk it in. A lot of action in this water over here, as you guys can see, but I don't think I have the right rig hook set up, because it looks like they're hungry. They're smelling around. Just then, right there, right there, right there. Something's on you. Something on, yep. Something on, look, I'm slack. How's it, you feel him? Is that my bill? Or is that, oh, that's this bill right here. Okay, try me out. Hey! Alright, alright. That's okay. Came on. Yeah. I noticed that while walking out, it's all like loose rocks. What is that? What is that? Baby. Hey. Yeah, him. Yeah, that's okay. Small kind action, but you know what? They give the initial fight on these guys. They give good pull.
Yeah.
You know?
That's the fun.
Yeah.
Thank you.
There we go. Grow big. Grow big.
Yeah, right on, Sensei.
See? All right. Okay, Sensei's second pupil of the day. The small one, catch and release action. Back in the water. There's my bait still dangling. See this obake veke over here. He's cruising. And this limu. Check this limu out, guys. It's like, I don't know what kind of limu is this. Any of you guys know what kind of limu this is? Let me know. And if you know what spots this limu lurks in, let me know also, so we can try avoid this area. He's two up on me already. Okay, well, he got the early jump. Back in the water. And you see there's a lot of action around my baits. Pupils coming in, obake veke coming in. And okay, so if you guys watch the other videos where I dropped the coffee straw rig over in KB, you notice how the coffee straw arms was like sticking up in the water, so the bait was kind of up and above the ground. But over here, I kind of casted it right in a place with a current and there's some wave action going on above. So you see how the bait just kind of stays on the ground mostly. Ooh, see how this limu just kind of wraps around the bait, and now it's kind of making it harder for any of the fish to get to it. I mean, not saying they didn't have their chances, but I mean, once it wraps around the bait power ready, nothing's gonna have a chance at it. And we see a bakiveki comes in real close, and so apparently, yeah, I don't think the fish cam is scaring the fish off or making them skittish or anything, because They're coming right up, swimming in. You see the puppy kind of took a smell, circles around. Finally, brother tries to bite it and goes in for another. He liked the taste. Okay, there we go. They're all starting to hit it. You see even that Obake Vic is coming in and trying to tag it. But it's interesting though how, especially with pupils, they just kind of wait. They circle. They can circle for half an hour at a time before they are hungry enough to go in for a bite. Too big, that piece raw shrimp I drop on the hook. Okay, time to bring the fish cam up. Do we have bait on? We still get the bait on. Some of my gun. Stupid. On this one we get fish cam going to egglet and to about little over 1 foot hook leader, live bait hook, and one baby wowo. Wowo is the flat nose mullet. Casting out a live mullet that I caught earlier when it was still dark. I was torching. Shit, bro, hopefully that's deep enough. Whew. Bro, you see how far that is on walk? This is some freaking good cardio, bro. That ain't no lie, man. I tell you, when you walk that line out, I gotta walk them all the way back in. That's some good exercise right there. So here we see this mullet over here. He's just trying to regain his senses, and boom, see that? Bugger went bucka loose from the hook and half dead, swimming away. There goes my lure.
A few moments later.
Came off. Ah, you sure? Get splash over there. What is this? What is this? Woo. Oh, happy times.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Small kind. All right, come on. Still on. Ah. Nice bugger not on. Bait check. Yep, see the bait almost gone. Whew. Okay guys, so I mean, I don't know if it was anything big enough but the bugger was ringing a bell. I'm gonna try out the fish cam. This is like one more traditional T-knot drop loop type rig, double hook setup with shrimp. I mean, kind of wrap the shrimp good. This one get shrimp tail, that's the one closest to the fish cam. Bottom one get you know, the regular middle of the body raw shrimp. And again, I went wrap them pretty good, so we're gonna see. And it goes down to, this is about a 3 ounce lead. Yeah, we're gonna throw them inside because the ones I've been walking way out and then whipping them, trying to get them far out into that green channel, they haven't really been getting any bites. So but when I just threw the one inside, I was getting plenty bites. So hopefully, oh, back up a little bit, hopefully you get like papillo, you know, good size ones cruising around. Hopefully, I don't get small kind, but that as well as eels come in the shallows and stuff. So that's kind of what we're hoping. That's what we're hoping is biting. And the sensei out there, yeah, he's still trying to get his stuff out in that channel over there. So yeah, I don't know. Let's see guys, let's see what happens. 10:40 mid-morning, and I'm not gonna walk them out too far. I can cast it further if I just kind of walk out to the oh my god, there's the freaking pile, bro. Oh my god, there's the pile. You see all this dark area over here, guys? Holy crap. Okay, I gotta come back with the scoop net. Son of a brat. Okay, just an inside cast. Threw it on the reef. I would say water level is maybe 2.5 feet. Okay, I'm gonna try to see if I can find my polarized lens so you guys can see a little bit better. But get one whole pile of, I don't know if that's mullet or what. Could be the kind, could be holy. Ooh, okay. That's some action right away. Look at this small pitot. I mean, at this point in the day, if that little guy hooked up, I think I'll be happy. Bruh, the Wama same size as the papio.
Go!
Right here, slow-mo of me almost hooking up to a potato chip.
Oh. Yeah. What kind of seaweed this is, but irritating. Irritating about this seaweed. What kind of seaweed this, but oh, look at that. Look at that. Nasty. Not a thing gonna clog up my line, bro. Watch them. Nasty. This is nasty stuff right there, bro. Freaking frack, bro. No, no good. No good this kind. No good. Yeah, small kind challenges. Challenges.
The rain finally started to unload. If you go holo on the windward / eastern side of the island, always be prepared for rain.
Stupid seaweed. Oh my god, I hate this seaweed, bro. Freaking damn it. Bro, this stuff is nasty. Okay. I guess that's the only way to kind of take it off is let it bunch up till until she's stuck, and then you know what, sometimes you know, can't wait for the action to come to you. You gotta go through the action. So I never bring my bubble float. So I using one of Hawaii Fish Gear Brother Bill's famous hammer bombs. I think this one is leaded, semi-leaded. I'm not sure. I don't know, Brother Bill. What is that? What is that little black maroon dot on there mean? I'm not sure, but you know, we're gonna find out. We got about an arm span length going to this fly right here. I'm not sure who made this fly. You can see get good colors in there. Get some black, white, and then some little glow shining thingy things. Shiny eyes on there. But I think Brother Lowe gave this to me. He said it was his lucky one. So yeah, we're gonna try a little bit whipping, guys. Okay. I don't like tangle senses lines, and the current is taking the lines to the east, so should probably get on the other side. First cast. Oh, there's a pile. Who's on ringing? I hear ringing. Is that me? Oh shoot, that's you see that? I just sent Hanapa since his line, son of a gun. Huh. Okay. So what that means is I gotta go way down. Shoot, see his line is shooting that way. I was like, oh bruh, I hear ringing, I hear ringing. Okay, cast number 2. So you guys see that action that the hammer bomb creates on the top of the water. It creates splashes, and you know, any type of predator fish that are in the area, you know, you're kind of hoping that that splashing is kind of simulating fish jumping, that kind of thing. Yeah. Okay, right here, you see that? Look like brown water over there. I guarantee that's some pile. So we're gonna try go in, and we're gonna try see. Maybe the kind. Look them. Maybe we can get something here. So the water is deep. Look them. Look them. You see that? Come guys. Come on. Come on. Come on guys. Fudging. You never know. You gotta get into that deep, dark spot, bro. And the dark spot is going out. You can see them. Shucks. Yeah, they're moving fast now. Shit. Oh, see that? They're running. What the hell did I hana power over here? Crap. Oh no. Okay. And then the pile is gone. See guys, there it is. So hey, you know what, Lo? Your fly works, bro. If you're able to sneak up and get close enough to where you can kind of get like right towards the middle, and then they start scattering in every direction, bro, you just drop your net down, drop your scoop net down, and you might get lucky. Something might swim in, and then bing, you get your own live bait. Yeah, we slow down. Even a kind, even sensing, not getting nothing. He caught a puhi earlier. But this is just on a kind. This is just like on half-day trip. So he threw him back. See, this is my rubbish. But before I pile today, I'm gonna try clean up all this. You guys can see, bro. Get plenty other kind rubbish over here. And again, guys, this is not rubbish from people littering that was over here at the park. You can kind of tell because get all these driftwood and these seeds, whatever kind of seed that is, and the waves actually came up at some point, brought all this stuff up, and you can see it brought up all the look at this.
Cleaned up some of that opala and rebaited the line with the fish cam. Walking out to send this line out in the shallow water, baited with Ika, and you guys know what time it is.
Now for everybody's favorite segment of the show, Hawaii Rhinos
While we watch these papillos try to steal that Ika from me, let's get to it. So first Hawaii Rhino Hammer this week goes out to brother Tristan Kim. That's tries808_. Caught 2 beautiful Milus, 1 7-pounder free lining with a wama, and he caught a 10-pounder, which he sent me the video, but the video never come out, my brother. I apologize. And he caught that dunking with dead wama. So there you go. Congrats, my brother. Beautiful fish. See some obake veke over here sneaking in. Let's get to number 2. And this would be brother Mark at sushi._.808 on Insta. Caught this beautiful Omilu. Not sure how much weighs, but looks pretty damn big. And this was submitted by Sandman. Looked like brother Mark was free lining Hallelujah. Congrats, brother Mark. Okay, last but definitely not least, Hawaii Rhino Hammer number 3 this week. Again, submitted by Sandman. Mahalo, Sandman. This goes out to brother Tony at Tonesmont on Insta. Check this out. 17.8 pounds. And I think this is his personal best. But man, this thing is a giant. I mean, that thing, to me, if I had to guess, I would say that thing look around 50 pounds at least.
So congrats, Brother Tony. And congrats to all the Hawaii Rhino hammers this week. If you guys want to get up on this screen, it's very simple, guys. Much of you guys on Insta, just tag me in your posts when you guys catch these monsters, and I'll try to get you up on a future vid. Alright. Okay, back in the water. You see one nice white papil over here. Small one. Comes up. And you see how agitated and stuff these papillos are now. They're hungry, they're ready to frenzy.
Okay, time to bring it in.
What kind of seaweed this? Sound weird. I never had a kind. I don't recognize this seaweed.
That's the brackish water kind.
Brackish water.
Yeah. You only get that kind when
We get runoff.
river.
Okay guys. At the end of every session, bro, that's what we do. Okay. We're gonna clean up all our rubbish, and we're gonna leave the spot in better shape than when we came. See, all this stuff is all rubbish that will drift up. All these plastics. Okay, right there. This is a massive that freaking nasty limu that they get over here. I had some bites, especially when I was throwing inside over here. I had bites, so I don't know. I think I had the fish cam on at least one of the times too, so maybe we'll see what was biting. But yeah, you know, whenever we try one new spot, a lot of times it's about the learning experience and trying to figure out what the best way for rig the poles, what the best type of fishing. I know over here there's good whipping action and stuff that can be had, but you know, that green limu crap, bro, that thing just destroyed my day. So you know, it is what it is, but live and learn, right? So I'm gonna be prepared next time. I'm gonna know probably where maybe not to throw it so that I get caught in that limu vortex. Okay guys, well, we'll see what happens. And you see about over here the kind bringing his catch. What's up, boy? Ano pa? Ooh. Ooh, bro, nice size, cause dinner. Time to bring it in. And please don't get stuck, bro. Please don't get stuck. Okay. And look, you see that pile? Bruh. Okay, see, look up. I don't know if you guys can see that. This thing just got heavy from all that damn limu again, cousin. Okay, so Jesus. Okay, so let me see here. Looks like, yeah, something will kind of work them down, but you see when I tie them, they don't can work them all the way off. So all right, latest for you. And this bottom hook got worked pretty good. So we tried a new spot, guys. You know what, on this side, get plenty spots, Get plenty spots to try. Shoot, I like try over here, in fact. I mean, I always pass by when we come this side, so. But, you know, it's a learning experience. And for those of you guys who know where I was at, you know, I wasn't trying for hide it or anything. I never really catch much. But maybe I caught something on a fish cam that can kind of give a clue as to what I gotta do next time if I come down this side. But man, this place is beautiful over here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, you know what, that day I never catch nothing, but I got a lot of bites, and from the fish cam footage I kind of see what it is over there. I mean, yeah, throwing the line in the shallow water, I was getting more bites, but I mean, you see in the size of the stuff that was over there biting my hook and whatnot. So a couple times almost caught them small pupils, but I really don't even know if I would have known the buggers was on the line because they're so small. But had some good size obake vekis coming around. I know I got some rigs already and a type of bait on what to use to catch those. I have a video coming out where we're fishing close to that spot where I was able to get some action catching obake vekis and whatnot. But yeah, so Sensei, of course, goes out early, catches early, and gets on the board. So yeah, I mean, if there's a lesson in that, is if your fishing partner tells you be there at 4 o'clock, go about 2 o'clock. Anyway, I'm over here on Lake Allatoona in Georgia and doing some mainland style fishing over here. Stay tuned, guys. The next video that I have coming out will be me and Fish Dropper over at Lake Weir the day before we had to evacuate because of Hurricane Milton. So until then, take care of yourself, take care of your hana. Aloha.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.